What if I told you that your thoughts have the power to turn into money? Sounds impossible, right? But it's true. Everything you desire, including financial abundance, begins in your mind. Think about this. Every great invention, every thriving business, every millionaire's journey started as a single thought. Your thoughts are far more powerful than you've been led to believe. They're like seeds planted in the soil of your subconscious, growing into the reality you experience every day. The question is, are you planting seeds of abundance or scarcity? Most people go through life letting their thoughts run wild, unaware of how these patterns shape their financial destiny. But here's the exciting part. You can take control. You can train your mind to think in ways that attract money, opportunities, and success. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, we're diving into 7 proven strategies to harness the power of your mind and transform your thoughts into wealth. These aren't abstract theories. They're practical steps you can start applying today to unlock abundance and create the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. So, if you've ever felt stuck or doubted whether wealth is possible for you, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to rewrite your story and build the life you deserve. Let's get started. You're about to discover how powerful your mind truly is. Did you know your thoughts are like a magnet, pulling experiences, opportunities, and even money into your life? It's not magic, it's science. Our brains are wired to focus on what we think about most, and this focus shapes the decisions we make, the opportunities we notice, and the actions we take. Here's how it works. Every thought you think creates energy. Positive, wealth-focused thoughts send out a vibration that aligns with abundance, while negative or scarcity-based thoughts do the opposite. Over time, repeated thoughts form neural pathways in your brain. These pathways are like well-worn roads, influencing how you perceive the world and the choices you make. When your thoughts focus on wealth, your brain starts looking for ways to make it happen. For example, think of your mind like a GPS. If you program it with clear, positive financial goals, it will guide you toward them, even if you're not always conscious of it. But if you feed your mind doubts or fears about money, it'll lead you in circles, keeping you stuck. The key is to become intentional about what you think. Start each day by focusing on thoughts of abundance. Imagine money flowing into your life easily and effortlessly. Say affirmations like, "I am a magnet for wealth," or "I deserve financial success." These small mental shifts might seem simple, but they reprogram your mind to align with prosperity. Remember, the science is clear. Your thoughts create your reality. By changing how you think about money, you'll begin to attract it in ways you never imagined. This is your first step toward financial transformation. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself living the life you've always dreamed of. Picture your ideal home, the car you want to drive, or the freedom to travel whenever you like. How does it feel? That feeling is the secret ingredient to turning your goals into reality. Visualization isn't just wishful thinking. It's a proven technique that aligns your mind with your desired outcome and sets the wheels of success in motion. Here's why it works. Your brain doesn't know the difference between something vividly imagined and something real. When you visualize yourself achieving financial success, your mind begins to treat it as if it's already happening. This process activates the part of your brain responsible for focus and creativity, helping you notice opportunities and solutions that align with your vision. But it's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. When you visualize, don't just imagine what your wealthy life looks like. Experience it with all your senses. Hear the sounds of your dream home, feel the leather seats of your car, and savor the excitement of financial freedom. This emotional connection intensifies the impact of visualization, making it even more powerful. Here's a simple way to start. Set aside 5 minutes each morning to visualize your financial goals. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on one specific goal. Picture every detail clearly: how much money you want, how you'll earn it, and how it will transform your life. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already yours. Visualization helps bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. It trains your mind to believe in the possibility of your success, and when you believe it, you'll start to act like it. And those actions will bring your vision to life. The wealth you're dreaming of isn't far away. It's waiting for you to see it clearly and claim it. Gratitude might seem like a simple practice, but it holds incredible power when it comes to attracting wealth. Why? Because what you focus on expands. When you focus on the money and resources you already have, no matter how small, you shift your mindset from lack to abundance. This creates a positive energy that attracts even more wealth into your life. Think of it this way. Imagine the universe as a mirror. If you're constantly focused on what you don't have, bills, debts, or missed opportunities, that's what gets reflected back to you. But when you express gratitude for the money you have, the opportunities you've received, and the progress you've made, the mirror starts reflecting abundance, opening the door for more to flow in. Gratitude also rewires your brain. Studies show that regularly practicing gratitude increases feelings of optimism and reduces stress. When you feel good about your financial situation, you're more likely to notice opportunities and take inspired action. It's a cycle. Gratitude breeds positivity, and positivity leads to prosperity. Here's a powerful way to start. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for related to money or resources. It could be as simple as having food on the table, earning a paycheck, or even finding $1 in your pocket. By focusing on these small wins, you'll train your mind to recognize and attract more abundance. Gratitude isn't just about feeling good. It's a tool for transformation. When you start appreciating what you have, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. And the more you align with abundance, the more you'll find yourself living a life of wealth and prosperity. The shift begins with a simple thank you. Visualization and mindset shifts are powerful tools, but without action, they're just dreams. The missing link between thinking about wealth and actually achieving it is taking inspired action. This doesn't mean working harder or doing more just for the sake of it. It means aligning your actions with your goals and taking steps that feel purposeful and exciting. Think of inspired action as a bridge. Your thoughts and beliefs set the direction, but your actions carry you across to the reality you want. For example, if you want to start a business, visualizing success is essential, but taking that first step, whether it's researching your market, creating a product, or reaching out to potential clients, is what makes it real. The key is to act with intention and confidence. When your mindset is aligned with abundance, you'll notice opportunities you might have overlooked before. Maybe it's a conversation that sparks a new idea, a class that helps you learn a valuable skill, or an unexpected chance to invest in something promising. These moments aren't coincidences. They're signs for you to take action. Here's how to start. Choose one specific financial goal and identify a single step you can take toward it today. It doesn't have to be big. It could be setting up a savings plan, calling a potential client, or learning about a new income stream. What matters is that you act, because even the smallest steps build momentum. Remember, wealth doesn't just happen. It's created through consistent, intentional effort. By combining your clear vision with inspired action, you'll start to see your thoughts transform into tangible results. Every step you take brings you closer to the financial freedom you deserve. So, ask yourself, what's one thing you can do today to move closer to your goals? Then, do it. The people, ideas, and environments you expose yourself to have a profound impact on your mindset and financial success. Think of it this way. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, doubt, or scarcity, those energies seep into your thoughts and beliefs. But when you immerse yourself in wealth-oriented influences, your mind naturally shifts toward abundance and possibility. Take a moment to reflect on your current environment. Are you surrounded by people who inspire you to grow? Or those who complain about money and limit their own potential? Are you consuming content that motivates you to pursue success? Or are you stuck in distractions that drain your energy? Your environment either lifts you up or holds you back. The good news is, you have the power to change it. Seek out influences that align with the wealthy mindset you're cultivating. Connect with mentors, successful individuals, or communities that share your goals. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos that teach you about financial success and inspire action. Even small shifts, like replacing a TV show with a motivational talk or spending time with a positive friend, can create a huge impact over time. Remember, success leaves clues. By surrounding yourself with people and ideas that embody the life you want, you'll absorb their habits, mindset, and strategies. Over time, their influence will reshape the way you think about money and opportunities, guiding you toward your goals. Your environment is a reflection of your future. If you want to create wealth, surround yourself with wealth-oriented influences that push you to dream bigger, act smarter, and stay focused. The more you immerse yourself in abundance, the more natural it will feel to attract it into your own life. Success, especially financial success, isn't built overnight. It's the result of consistent effort over time. Yet, in a world that often promises instant results, patience can feel like a challenge. But here's the truth. Consistency combined with patience is your most reliable path to creating the wealth you desire. Think of building wealth like planting a tree. At first, you plant the seed, water it, and care for it, but nothing seems to happen. Over time, as you stay consistent, roots grow beneath the surface, and eventually, the tree begins to sprout. Similarly, the actions you take today, rewiring your mindset, visualizing your goals, taking inspired steps, may not yield immediate results, but with time and persistence, they will. One key to staying consistent is creating daily habits that align with your financial goals. Whether it's setting aside 15 minutes to review your goals, practicing gratitude, or learning something new about wealth creation, these small, repeated actions compound over time. Remember, even the smallest steps forward add up when done consistently. At the same time, patience is essential. It's easy to feel discouraged when progress seems slow or when challenges arise. But every great success story is built on perseverance. Trust the process and remind yourself that every step, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to your goals. Stay focused on your vision, but allow space for growth to unfold naturally. Wealth isn't just about what you achieve. It's about the mindset and habits you build along the way. By practicing consistency and patience, you're creating a foundation that will not only lead to financial success, but also sustain it for years to come. Keep going. Your prosperous future is worth the wait. The journey to turning your thoughts into money starts with one powerful truth. You are the creator of your reality. By understanding the science of your thoughts, rewiring your beliefs, visualizing your goals, practicing gratitude, taking inspired action, surrounding yourself with the right influences, and staying consistent and patient, you hold the keys to unlock abundance. Now, imagine your life a year from now. How different would it be if you started applying these principles today? The wealth, freedom, and opportunities you've dreamed of are closer than you think. It all begins with a decision. To believe in your power, to take action, and to stay the course. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Your mind is your greatest asset. Use it wisely, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to take that first step today. Your future is waiting. Go claim it.